Due to the packaging constraints caused by the electric motors in the rear of the vehicle, Outlander PHEV is fitted with a tyre repair kit instead of a traditional spare tyre. However, this is not a problem as the tyre repair kit is very effective, easy to use, and doesn't even require you to jack up the vehicle. This is a quick guide on how to repair small tyre punctures of up to 4mm in the tyre tread with the tyre repair kit. First, stop the vehicle as soon as you notice the tyre puncture in a safe, flat location. Make sure the vehicle has the electric parking brake set and is turned off in park. Take out the tyre repair kit. It is located under the cargo floor of the Outlander PHEV. Take the valve cap off the flat tyre and then press the valve remover on like so, and allow all of the air in the tyre to escape. Remove the valve insert by turning it anti-clockwise with the valve remover and put the valve in a clean place so it doesn't get dirty. Then give the tyre sealant bottle a good shake. Take the cap off but do not remove the seal. Then screw the filler hose onto the bottle. Press the hose onto the valve. While holding the sealant bottle upside down, squeeze it again and again to inject the sealant into the tyre. After injecting all of the sealant, take the hose off the valve and fit the valve insert back in by screwing it using the valve remover. Fit the valve remover to the end of the filler hose to prevent sealant from leaking from the bottle. Next, securely attach the compressor hose to the tyre valve. Place the compressor with the air pressure gauge on top, pull out the power cord and insert it into one of the accessory sockets of the Outlander PHEV, and press the vehicle start button once to put the operation mode into ACC. Now turn on the compressor and inflate the tyre to the specified pressure. This can be found on the inside of the driver's door frame. If the tyre does not inflate to the specified level within 10 minutes, the tyre may be so severely damaged that the sealant cannot repair this puncture. In this case, please contact your roadside assistance. You can now turn off the compressor and unplug it from the 12-volt outlet. Next, it is advised to place the speed restriction sticker to your steering wheel to remind yourself not to exceed 80 km an hour. Now you must drive the vehicle so that the tyre sealant can spread evenly inside the tyre. Again, do not exceed 80 km an hour. After driving for 10 minutes or 5 km, check the tyre pressure using the air pressure gauge on the compressor. If the tyre pressure has not dropped, the emergency repair is complete. If it has deflated, inflate it to the specified pressure and drive carefully again for another 10 minutes or 5 km. And repeat these steps to check the pressure. Remember, much like fitting a temporary or space-saver spare wheel, an emergency tyre repair is only a temporary solution. Therefore, as soon as possible, drive to an authorised Mitsubishi Motors dealer and have a full tyre repair or replacement performed. This is also a good time to purchase a new sealant bottle to restock your repair kit.